How to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. First things first, make sure your iPhone isn't on mute. Check the mute switch on the left side of your iPhone. If you see an orange color, it means it's muted. Flip the switch to unmute it. Next, double check the volume level. Simply press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone to increase the volume. You want to make sure the sound is turned off for both your phone and within the game. Now, if everything looks good in the game but you're still hearing no sound, try closing background apps. Sometimes other apps can interfere with sounds while playing games. To close apps on iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and swipe away apps. Now, after closing the apps, completely restart Mobile Legends and simply check whether the sound is coming or not. If not, then try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve any sound issues caused by software glitches. Outdated software can cause sometimes issues. Make sure both Mobile Legends and iOS are updated. To check for updates, open the App Store, tap on your profile and down to see if there's an update available. For iOS, go to Settings, then on General, and click on Software Update. Now, if there's an update available, simply update it. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps help you fix the sound issue in Mobile Legends.